Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pistachio nuts. First, select raw, unshelled pistachios for optimal taste and texture. Carefully remove the shells, discarding any nuts that appear discolored or damaged. After shelling, give your pistachios a quick rinse under cool, running water to wash away any lingering debris. Then, it's crucial to pat them thoroughly dry with a clean kitchen towel before moving on to cooking. This ensures they roast evenly and achieve that perfect crispness. For a simple dry roast, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or about 150 degrees Celsius. Spread your prepared pistachios in a single, even layer on a baking sheet. Roast them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to stir them gently halfway through the cooking time. This helps ensure an even toast. Once roasted, let them cool completely on the baking sheet. They'll become even crispier as they reach room temperature, ready for snacking or adding to dishes. If you prefer a richer flavor, try roasting with a touch of oil and salt. Toss your shelled pistachios with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil for every cup of nuts. Then, sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt to really bring out their natural deliciousness. Spread these coated nuts in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast them in an oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 minutes, watching closely to prevent burning. For a quicker method, pan roasting is excellent. Heat a dry skillet over medium-low heat, then add your pistachios. Toast them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning. They're done when fragrant and slightly golden. Once cooked, allow your pistachios to cool completely. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their freshness. For the best flavor and texture, try to enjoy them within 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.